Good evening. My name is Abhishek Sunil Kure. Today's date is 11 April 2024 and today's topic is thread life cycle in Java. In this topic, I will explain you all concept of multi-threading and how thread works in thread works and thread life cycle. First of all, what is a multi-threading? Multi-threading is the concept that multiple threads run simultaneously in single time. Means what, if you in example, if you use your mobile, in one time we can use your WhatsApp, then another time same time we can pause that application and you can use another application. So basically there is a thread. So this all possible because of multi-threading. Then in multi-threading we can achieve multitasking also. So this is like basically multi-threading. Then how thread works and what is a thread? Basically thread is a subset of program. Process means subset of process. Thread are basically easy for inter-thread communication. Inter-thread communication is easy. Then we can buy a thread pool. The thread pool, the supervisor of threads, and how thread life cycle is going. Basically, first is a new state. In this state, thread is not alive. It is wait for a start. If you write a start method, then the thread will be start. This is a new phase. Then second is a runnable phase. In that phase, the start method is execute. We can write a start method, but thread is not in running phase. They are wait for thread scheduler, because thread scheduler is give a priority to that thread. Then running state. In that state, the thread is selected by thread scheduler, and finally the thread is running state. Then waiting state. In that state, the thread is waiting. They are alive. They are waiting for another thread is executed. If another thread, the thread is calling notify all method, then the thread is started to run. And last is a termination and date state. In that process, the thread is already done their all tasks and work, and they finally going to the date state. That all handled by JVM. In JVM there is under one thread pool. They all supervise that all things. So basically this is the life cycle of thread, and thread is very important for your gaming application, because in gaming application there is so many threads are available, because in one time we can perform multiple tasks. So multi-threading is very important in gaming application. Then another example was in another one small application also the thread concept will be used, like YouTube. We can stop the video, then we can go to the another tab, and we can see the shorts. So that all possible because of thread. So this is the life cycle of thread. Thank you.